Hello everyone, and welcome to Kevin's Seventh Heaven. Today we are going to read On the Nature of Love by Rabindranath Tagore. The night is black, and the forest has no end. A million people thread it in a million ways. We have trysts to keep in the darkness, but where or with whom, of that we are unaware. We have this faith that a lifetime's bliss will appear any minute with a smile upon its lips. Scents, touches, sounds, snatches of songs, brush us, pass us, give us delightful shocks. Then, peradventure, there's a flash of lightning. Whomever I see that instant, I fall in love with. I call that person and cry, "This life is blessed! For your sake such miles have I traversed." All those others who came close and moved off in the darkness, I don't know if they exist or not. Thank you for listening to me read poetry. Please like, comment on, and share this video. Also, please subscribe to Kevin's Seventh Heaven on YouTube and make sure that notification bell is set to all. It would really help me out, and it would let you know when the next video is coming out. Anyway, ta-ta for now. Love you all.